The Apple tone is usually the default ringtone of iPhone users, but if you're getting tired from hearing it and you want to make your custom ringtone, then here are a few ways to do it. The first method is by using iTunes. To do this, you need to have iTunes on your Windows or Mac. Next, click the song you want to use as your new ringtone. Right-click on the title, then select Song Info or Get Info, then select Options. In this window, you can select which part of the song you want to use. Remember that you can only use 30-second clips. Once you're done, click OK. Next, from the top menu, click File, then select Convert. Then choose Create AAC Version from the menu. Click on the ringtone you created and rename it. You simply have to change its extension from M4A to M4R for it to work. Now that you're done creating the ringtone, it's now time to add it to your phone. Connect your iPhone to your laptop or computer using a lightning cable. Then drag and drop the ringtone to tones on your iPhone on the left side of iTunes. Finally, open your iPhone settings, then go to Sounds or Sounds and Haptics, tap Ringtone, and set the new clip you created as your new one. If you want to do this without using iTunes, then you can create a new ringtone using GarageBand. You have to download the app on your iPhone, so you need to have at least iOS 14.0. Next, go to zedge.net using Safari, then tap Ringtones at the very bottom of the page. You can type in the name of the song you want on the search bar and select the ringtone of your choice. Simply download the song, then head over to GarageBand. On the app, tap on Audio Recorder, then tap 3 lines on the top left of your screen. Next, click the loop icon on the upper right, then tap Files. From there, you'll be able to see the ringtone you downloaded. Tap the file, then wait until it loads, or you can also drag and drop it into the timeline. Next, click on the minimize icon or the downward arrow. You'll be able to see the file, usually titled My Song. Long press on the file, then rename it to whatever title you want. Once you're done, long press the file again, and you can now tap Share, then choose Ringtone. Wait until it finishes exporting the file, and once it's done, a prompt will show up asking how you want to use the ringtone. If you head over to your settings, it will also show up on your ringtones. You can use it as your new alarm tone if you want to. And there you have it. Now you can create your own custom ringtone and say goodbye to the basic ones on your phone. If you find this video helpful, click like and subscribe to watch other guides for all sorts of technology. And check out these other videos that we think you'll enjoy.